India is rapidly becoming a global hub for chemical manufacturing, driven by rising industrial demand, global supply chain diversification, and strong government support under the Make in India initiative and production-linked incentive schemes. Specialty chemicals are high-performance, value-added formulations used across sectors such as pharmaceuticals, agriculture, automotive, construction, water treatment, cosmetics, electronics, and FMCG manufacturing. The specialty chemical industry in India is expanding at an impressive pace, backed by the China Plus One strategy, large export opportunities, and increasing import substitution. So if you are an entrepreneur, chemical engineer, industrial manufacturer, investor, or an aspiring MSME startup, this business offers massive potential with high margins and recurring B2B demand. We will cover in this video target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. So, your primary customer segments in the specialty chemical manufacturing business include industrial manufacturers from pharma FMCG, paints, plastics, and adhesive sectors. Also, agriculture and fertilizer companies, automotive and engineering companies, and wastewater treatment plants are important groups. Don't forget cosmetic and personal care brands, export trading agencies and distributors, construction and infrastructure companies, and of course, laboratories, R&D centers, and government procurement departments. Market research and analysis. India's specialty chemical industry was valued at over $40 billion in the year 2024, and it's projected to grow at a CAGR of about 10 to 12% by the year 2030. So India is now exporting chemicals to, well, more than 175 countries. There's strong demand coming in from Europe, the United States, ASEAN nations, and the Middle East. Pharmaceutical and agriculture chemicals are really leading the demand right now. And when it comes to major production hubs, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh stand out as the key states. Let's talk about some key market trends. There's a noticeable shift towards green and eco-friendly chemical formulations these days. We're also seeing high growth in bio-based and enzyme-based chemicals, which is pretty exciting. There's rapid capacity expansion happening, mainly due to those China Plus One opportunities. And of course, there's an increased focus on automation and advanced process systems throughout the industry. Marketing and sales strategy. When it comes to brand positioning, focus on offering high purity and performance-based chemicals. Make sure you highlight your compliance certifications and technical strengths. Don't forget to showcase your ability for custom bulk formulations, strong research capabilities, and, honestly, your commitment to quality assurance. Now, let's talk about sales channels. You'll want to target B2B industrial direct sales, work with distributors and stockists in major industrial clusters, and leverage online platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, and even export portals like Alibaba. Also, participating in big industrial expos, think ChemSpec, CPHI, Plast India, or Paint India, can really boost your visibility. And finally, exporting through agents and established trade networks is a solid way to expand internationally. Financial planning. Moving on to financial planning and costing, here's an estimated investment breakdown. For land and building setup, you're looking at anywhere from 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs Indian rupees. Machinery and production equipment could cost between 20 lakhs and 60 lakhs. Raw material inventory might take about 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Then, for laboratory and quality testing setup, expect to spend around 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Pollution control and safety systems could be between 3 lakhs and 8 lakhs. Licenses and approvals usually range from 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. For branding and your website, budget about 50,000 to 2 lakhs. And for working capital, plan for 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs. So, all in all, your total initial investment would range from 45 lakhs to 1 crore 38 lakhs Indian rupees. Funding and investment options. Now, let's talk about funding and investment options. You could start with personal funding and family capital, which is pretty common. Then there are bank term loans and working capital loans. Don't forget about the Mudra loan and MSME credit scheme. They're designed to help small businesses. There are also Startup India scheme incentives that could be really helpful. Industrial subsidies are available through state governments, and you might want to look into angel investors and private equity funds as well. Plus, export benefits through RODTEP and MEES schemes can give you that extra edge if you're planning to go international. Profit margin. So, let's talk about profit margins. For bulk manufacturing, you're looking at an estimated profit margin of about 15 to 25%. If you go with contract manufacturing, that margin bumps up to somewhere between 25 and 35%. Now, for high-performance specialty chemicals, the profit margin can be as high as 30 to 50%. And if your business is export-driven, it could go up to 60%. Oh, and just so you know, the break-even period generally ranges between 12 months to 24 months, depending on your production scale and the kind of buyer network you have. Company incorporation and legal compliance. When it comes to company incorporation and legal compliance, you have a few options. You may register as a proprietorship if you're running a very small unit, or you could consider a partnership or an LLP. For most cases, though, a private limited company is recommended. Now, there are some mandatory licenses you'll need, such as Pollution Control Board clearance, a factory license, and a fire safety knock. You'll also need permission for hazardous chemical handling, an import-export code, and possibly ISO or BIS certification depending on your product category. Don't forget GST registration, and it's a good idea to get trademark registration for brand protection too. Supporting documents. Alright, let's talk about the supporting documents you'll need. These include Material Safety Data Sheets, or MSDS, Standard Operating Procedures for Process Safety, Lab Purity Certificates, Raw Material Vendor Agreements, and Packaging and Logistics Contracts. You'll also want to have employee safety training documentation, as well as environmental compliance paperwork. Each of these plays a crucial role in keeping your operations compliant and running smoothly. How Market Research Universe can help. At Market Research Universe, we help entrepreneurs, MSMEs, and industrial startups build and scale specialty chemical businesses with complete professional support. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances and documentation. Our solution: MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years. Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 8 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh program in market research and business consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now this is India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion and your skill set, and through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set, and then after that being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market, forecasting, and then find out the best, profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success, okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days, okay. After that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding, if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that, or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that, and then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're gonna launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're gonna continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.